My name is Alex Lickley. I am maintenance supervisor.
I'm Zach Massman. I'm a maintenance technician.
I'm Spencer Grammer. I'm in maintenance.
Dan Staub. I'm a part-time maintenance technician.
Our team makes sure that these machines stay in optimal condition. The preventative maintenance, the lubrication, keeping filters clean, trying to keep the motors and axes all cool.
It really changes day to day. Some days we're working in the CNCs. Some days we're working on the printers. It's really just a change of pace. I really enjoy that.
Some of the unique challenges that we face is the diversity of machines. We have machines that are from different manufacturers. They all have their unique characteristics.
I would say probably the most unique thing is just sometimes finding solutions to odd issues we may be having with a machine.
Unexpected breakdowns that we have, it could be worn through pipes, we could have motors go bad, it could be anything.
Our crew is widespread with their knowledge. We feel that we can do about anything here.
Some of the tools that we use to streamline our work, laser calibration, checking our dimensional tolerance over the machines. We have a Renshaw laser calibration system. We have a ball bar, which makes sure that the axes are moving with each other. We maintain a very safe environment here. We do overhead crane safety, we do forklift safety.
We make sure safety is prioritized. We put cones out. We do lockout, tag out.
Some of the training here could be off-site. A lot of it is on-site, on-the-job training.
For a lot of people, you learn best by doing it.
We collaborate here with the other departments. The people on the floor are honestly our eyes and ears for the machines having issues.
Every day is a success story. I feel pretty proud. Hoosier also reflects that too.